second. Before we do that, this is the final award presentation for this year's conference, and it's the Carroll H. Dunn Award of Excellence. This year, it's going to Mike Rowe, who's a television personality. And everybody knows Mike Rowe from his TV show Dirty Jobs, or he narrates the Deadliest Catch series about fishing in Alaska, or he does Shark Week for Discovery Channel. He also stars in commercials for Ford Motor Company. The thing that most people don't know is how much Mike Rowe gives back, specifically to our industry and related industries. And so for more than a decade, Mike has been a behind-the-scenes philanthropist through his foundation, which is called mikeroweWORKS. mikeroweWORKS was designed to reinvigorate the skilled trades. The foundation awards scholarships to students pursuing careers in manufacturing, construction, automotive technologies, and many other STEM-related occupations. And in particular, his foundation focuses on issues related to a widening skills gap, an aging workforce, and millions of unfilled, highly skilled trades jobs. Mike runs the foundation himself. He also works closely with SkillsUSA, which is a partnership of students, teachers, and industry that provides educational programs, and they also have annual competitions. So since 2011, mikeroweWORKS has provided scholarships to nearly 400 SkillsUSA students, and that represents a sizable investment in America's future skilled workforce. Mike Rowe is also the spokesperson for Go Build Alabama, and through the Go Build campaign, Mike educates young people on the value of learning a trade. He dispels misconceptions about the construction industry, and he inspires young people to consider a career in the skilled trades. Go Build and the Alabama Construction Recruitment Institute have provided more highly skilled tradespeople for construction businesses and enhanced economic development for Alabama than any other state, not by numbers, but by percentage. And Forbes recently, or has for many years, identified Mike as one of the most trustworthy celebrities in our country. So consequently, CI is very pleased to honor Mike Rowe with the Carroll H. Dunn Award of Excellence. Mike's actually not here. He's in production today, this entire week in Los Angeles for his various production activities. But he did send a video to share with us, and it is our hope that he will come speak to CII very soon.
Hey there, how's it going? It's Mike Rowe. Sorry I'm not there in San Diego. I really feel terrible accepting a major award over a cell phone, but the schedule has conspired against me, so I find myself here at my kitchen table in San Francisco with an Uber waiting out back to take me off to the next shoot momentarily. However, I did want to take a second to sincerely thank you for this award. It's very gratifying. As some of you might know, we've spent the last 10 years at the mikeroweWORKS Foundation trying to call attention to many thousands of great jobs that exist in your industry. We've done that through a variety of PR campaigns and a scholarship program that I'm pleased to say now has disgorged over $5 million so far. These are scholarships not for four-year degrees, but specifically for training programs to get people up to speed with the skills they need to fill some of the jobs that exist. Not much I can tell you that you don't know about the skills gap. 7.3 million jobs right now, $1.5 trillion in student loans still on the books. Our country, we're lending money we don't have to kids who can't pay it back, training them for jobs that don't exist anymore. My foundation is trying to push back against that by making a persuasive case for the opportunities in your industry. So it is very gratifying to have an organization like yours recognize a modest little foundation like my own. So on behalf of everybody at mikeroweWORKS and myself, thanks for thinking of us. I appreciate the award. I promise I'm gonna put it someplace tasteful back there on the mantle, probably. Sincerely, thank you. Hope our paths cross sometime in the future.